And welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting with our complete knitting tutorial. Start today, finish proud. I'll guide you step by step, ensuring clarity and solutions every step of the way. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need yarn. Choose a color and texture you love. Next, knitting needles. The size depends on your yarn. Check the label. You'll also need scissors and a tapestry needle. Let's begin with the basics. The slip knot. Make a loop, bring the yarn over and through, and tighten. This is the foundation of your project. Now, casting on. This is how you get stitches onto your needle. There are many methods, but we'll use the long tail cast on. Make a slip knot, place it on one needle. Hold the needles in your left hand, yarn in your right. Loop the yarn around your thumb and index finger. Bring the needle under the thumb strand, over the index finger strand, and pull the yarn through the thumb loop. Drop the thumb loop, and tighten. Repeat this to cast on the desired number of stitches. Next, the knit stitch. Hold the needle with cast-on stitches in your left hand, the empty needle in your right. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From left to right, wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat across the row. Now, the purl stitch. Hold the needle with cast-on stitches in your left hand. Bring the yarn to the front. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From right to left, wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat across the row. Knit and purl stitches are the building blocks. You can create stockinette stitch, knit one row, purl one row, garter stitch, knit every row, and many more. To bind off, knit 2 stitches, then pass the first stitch over the second. Knit another stitch, and pass the previous stitch over the new one. Continue across the row, until only 1 stitch remains. Cut the yarn and pull it through the last stitch to secure. Troubleshooting dropped stitches? Don't panic. Use a crochet hook to pick them up. Uneven tension? Practice helps. Too tight? Use larger needles. Too loose? Use smaller needles. Weaving in ends. Use your tapestry needle to weave the yarn tails into your work, hiding them from view. This finishes your project neatly. And there you have it. You've learned the basics of knitting. Start simple, practice consistently, and soon you'll be creating beautiful knitted items. Remember, start today, finish proud. Happy knitting!